Is your iPhone being tracked or recorded? You can actually tell just by looking at the top of your screen. If you see this bar at the top, your screen is being recorded. If you see the arrow icon, your location is being used. If you see a small orange dot, your microphone is active. And if you see a green dot, your camera is being used. Now, let me show you where to check what's using them. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. At the top, tap right here. This shows what's being used right now and what was used recently. For example, if you're screen recording, you'll see the system using the microphone. In other cases, you might see the camera and microphone together or system services using your location. If you see this large audio box, it means sound is actively being used, and it also tells you which app is doing it. This screen makes it easy to see exactly what's accessing your phone and when. Did you already know about all of these indicators? Did you know your iPhone has secret dial codes that most people have no idea about? Here are 3 powerful ones that most people don't know and can actually protect your privacy. First, a quick tip. When typing a number and you make a mistake, just swipe across the keypad to delete instead of tapping backspace over and over. If you dial #3 plus a phone number, your call will show as private or no caller ID. Dial *#06# and you'll instantly see your IMEI number. That's your phone's unique ID, useful if your device ever gets lost or stolen. And if you're buying a new phone, make sure the IMEI number on the screen matches the one on the box. Next, dial *#6(2). This shows where your calls are being forwarded when your phone is unreachable. If you see a number you don't recognize, that means that someone is spying on you. Did you already know any of these? iPhone users often complain that restarting their phone isn't as easy as it is on Android. So most of the time, they just power off the phone completely and then turn it back on again. But there's actually a hidden restart option you can enable. Most iPhone users don't even know this feature exists. Here's how you can turn it on. First, search for the app called Shortcuts. Every iPhone already comes with it. Open it, then tap the plus icon in the top right corner. In the search bar, type Shutdown and select it. You'll see Shutdown highlighted in blue. Tap on it and change it to Restart. Now tap on Shutdown at the top and choose Icon. Pick any icon you like, but this one looks perfect. Tap Shutdown at the top again, then select Add to Home Screen. Choose a color for the button and tap Add. Go back to your home screen and you'll notice the new button. Tap it, then press Restart, and your iPhone will reboot just like an Android phone. If this was new for you, drop a wow in the comments.
iPhone users always complain that when they turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth from Control Center, they turn back on the next day or after airplane mode. And if you want them off for good, you have to go into settings every time. Pretty annoying. But the truth most people don't know: you can create a simple power button that turns both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off completely, and they won't switch back on unless you do it yourself. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and tap the plus icon in the top right. Search for the action called Set Wi-Fi and tap it. Change it from on to off. Then search for Set Bluetooth and add that too. Switch that one from on to off as well. At the top, tap the shortcut name and rename it to something like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off. Tap OK. Then tap the icon and choose one you like. Pick whatever makes sense to you. Now close the Shortcuts app. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. Tap and hold until you see Add a Control. Tap it, search for Shortcuts, then choose Run a Shortcut. Tap Choose and select Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off. That's it. Now whenever you want both fully turned off, just tap that button once. Try it and comment wow if it worked for you.